Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and yes, we are back with another video. Thank you so much if you're a new subscriber. We welcome you and want to let you know we very much appreciate you being a part of this amazing art journey with us, so thank you for joining us. Today we have a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and we have already gone ahead and laid out the base color, which is the DecoArt Slate Gray in combination with a little bit of the Artist Loft Floetrol Black and Blickrylic Titanium White mixed with Floetrol and water to get this amazing, beautiful gray color. I'm just going to go ahead and look for any unwanted debris, pop air bubbles, and introduce our layering colors and make this happen. See what kind of fun we can have. We are looking to make for some amazement. I love it when we can do that. All right, we're popping air bubbles, and there are probably a lot more here than we can actually see since we just made this up, this paint up. Okay, all right, we're going to go with that and introduce our layering colors. Today we have the Artist Loft Brilliant Blue. We have Amsterdam Primary Cyan. We have Liquitex Basics Dioxamine Purple, along with Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet, Artist Loft Phthalo Blue, and the Amsterdam Pearl Violet. So let's see what we can do with these colors and what kind of a amazing design we can get and outcome. We're starting here, and we're going to just go right on over and do our little wick squiggle, and we'll do here and here and here. Oops. And we'll do one there and one there. All right, that's good. We'll follow through with the rest of our layering colors right on top. Hopefully we can have some amazement with these blues and violets on gray. All right. Love this Dioxamine Purple. Pretty color. These are some nice rich colors on gray. We also have a nice new color to me. This is this Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet. See what that's gonna do. Ooh, it's pretty too. Woo, look at that. Very pretty. Awesome. Okay, and next up is the Phthalo Blue. That's a rich blue. Want to make something amazing happen here. These blues. Again, we have a new one to me. And this is the Amsterdam Pearl Violet. See if it gets some iridescent color, shimmer from that. Not sure exactly what it may do, but we're going to go for it. All right, and I'm going to wrap back around with just a little of this Brilliant Blue, first color we started with. Even though we have quite a bit of blue, we want to see it come through nicely. All right, guys, a lot of color. I'm hoping for some amazement out of all these beautiful colors. Okay, let's take it, put our friends aside. Try to keep them together. Not sure how we did that, but anyway, we're going to torch just to make sure we have enough base paint, I'm just going to drizzle a little bit around to ensure that we have the ability to move the paint. Since we do have a lot of paint to move, right? This is fun. I really enjoy doing the acrylic painting. I love, love, love the Dutch pour, and that's what we're about to do. All right, let's see what we can do to make this amazing. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. Woo-wee. I love it. Love, love, love those colors. I'm going to tap out this little spot here. There we go. And this little string over here, just to clean up our negative space spots. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. We can tap it out without touching it. All right. Wow, look at that. Now, there are no cells in this per se. If they are, they're very, very small. And that's because we really didn't use any metallics. But the colors we have used are just simply stunning. I see a few air bubbles I'm going to gently pop. When I mean that, there's one that burst on its own, so I won't have to. Okay, I don't want to create cells. I want this to stay nice and smooth. Oh, that is just stunning. It's so pretty. Well, we're going to take our little stick here and wipe underneath and get this excess paint that's running over to hopefully rest, to stop running. You have to do this a few times before it will come to rest, but the idea here is to keep the design from moving off the canvas. If you don't do this, you can pretty much be assured that what you have by way of design will shift, probably significantly. And that wouldn't be too good, I don't think. Anyway, let's come in for a close-up. So here we are, guys. We have our close-up time, our 10 by 20 inch canvas. And if you don't think that's amazing, I don't know what to say. I think it's just beautiful. Those colors did an amazing job coming together, and they have flowed so beautifully on top of this gray. I'm loving what they've done to really merge together, but yet at the same time very distinctively show up for who they are. We have a little bit of lacing right here, just a few tiny cells, and we are going to look and see what else we have. Look at that dioxamine purple, how rich it looks here. So pretty. Our light blue violet is coming through nicely as well. That's this color here. Oh my heavens, this is so pretty. Wonderful. I love what these colors have done. And I can tell you this, they speak loud and clear for themselves. There's not much we can say about them except that this is absolutely stunning. Well, let me know what you think in the comments, guys. I love it. I think it came out amazing. And the colors are rich and vibrant. And there's just violets and blues in this 10 by 20 inch canvas layered on top of slate gray. Okay. Well, here we are with some dried results of our blue and violet on gray. And it came out just wonderfully. As you can see, the colors are just really rich and vibrant, and they dried so nicely on this 10 by 20 inch canvas. Look how vibrant those colors are, how rich and deep. You can see how pretty they came out. This is truly an amazing composition. The colors are so rich and they are speaking up loud and clear for themselves. I love this composition. I love the colors that really came together, how well they came together on this piece. And again, it really did a nice job drying, and can't wait to see a beautiful coat of resin put onto this for its finishing completion in terms of being completely done. It's still drying, and we'll give it a few more days before we can put resin on it. Give it a complete opportunity to dry, and hopefully it'll be just as amazing as it appears now, but even more so with the resin. So here we have it. Like and subscribe. Let us know what you think, and hit that notification bell, guys, so that you can be informed each and every week, because we have a weekly, sometimes twice a week, video that we upload. You don't want to miss it. Until next time, keep loving your art. This is Anita White, and we will see you all on our next video upload. Stay safe, and we'll see you again. Bye now.